Hey everyone, let's make a button with auto layout. So we start by making the button. There we go, and you can see that the line is all close to the text. Now if I right click and press auto layout or shift A, I will get this padding around it. And here you can see the auto layout and you will see the padding around the box is 10 on every one. Now if I were to change these to 8, you would see that it would be 8 all around. But actually, I would like it to be 16 on the sides and 8 on the top and the bottom. And that will make the button, basically. Here you can change the color. So you kind of got the fill color. And we can choose these to be... Oh, look at that. So let's rename it. Main button. Now that I got my main button, I will make it to a component. I will press Alt and drag out a couple of instances, and here we go. Now you will see that the padding closes up on the text. So if your text is really long or really short, doesn't really matter. Here you got your start button. So now if you want to do some changes, because we didn't really like that pink that much, so we really like it a little bit darker blue. I think we're here. We're gonna make some round edges on it, and we're gonna change the font color to white. So here we got a really nice start button. Now this will change your design colors and your button shape in everywhere that you used it. And this will help so much by keeping you consistent in your work. And it will also help if you do a design for somebody and they say, but we changed our design from round button to square buttons or opposite. So I really hope it helped, and I will see you around. Take care. Bye.